This dang thing driving me insane. Let me give you a quick lowdown of everything that's happened in the last week. My back door wouldn't close, or wouldn't lock. So I was in the door trying to fuck around with it, trying to see why it wouldn't lock. So it's not that big of a deal, gave up on it. Well, I guess inadvertently, I triggered a switch that told my car that told my truck that the door was open. Now, this thing's kind of Frankenstein together, so I don't really have lights or dingers or anything. But the cargo light stayed on, thinking a door was open the whole time. And I don't drive this truck every day, I work at night. Fuck, it's fucking raining. But anyways, it killed my batteries. It stayed on, killed my batteries. I don't even see the truck every day. I went and got my batteries charged. Started it up. It ran. I moved it a couple times, drove it overnight. It's fine. I parked it. I went back to start it, and batteries are dead again. So I charged them again. Brand new, these two batteries, these Optimus, or I think I replaced them in, I don't remember, about 6 months ago, right before I moved from Texas. Went and got them tested. They say they're good. I don't fucking believe it, but they say they're good. I raised hell with the manager and whatever. Anyhow, so I went and got my alternator tested. It tested bad, so I got it replaced under warranty. Now it ain't even, it's just clicking. Now I'm down to troubleshooting this star solenoid, which I already tried putting the fucking screwdriver over here. Nothing, no results. Next is I'm gonna see if I can't bang on the starter a little bit. But I ain't got much tools here. I keep having to run every fucking 5 minutes up to the store to buy more tools. All my tools are at my house in Texas. So I'm having to rebuy all fucking sorts of tools. It's pretty terrible. On a side note, this vacuum pump is what was making that screeching noise I was talking about. Sounds terrible. I bought a new one for about $100, and looks like somebody had already tried to change it. Now I've owned this thing for 7 years, and every once in a while it squeaked. Or maybe this is a new one and somebody fucking changed it already, but they did a fucking bang up job of rounding out these bolts. I ain't got nothing to get back on there or nothing. And I don't have a garage, I don't have shit here, so I gotta go and buy all new tools, like I said. Sucks. Anyways, I'll change that out as soon as I get this fucking truck running. I can drive it up to a garage and use their tools. Anyhow, that's where I'm at. No start. And it keeps fucking raining. I don't know if you can see this, but I got my test light into the ignition cable over there on the star solenoid. Can you see that? I don't know if that'll show up on camera. Let's see if I can't zoom in. I'll turn the key. Let's see the lights coming on. I got power there. Alright, I banged on the starter a couple times, and now it's wanting to do something, so I'm going to take the starter off and go get it tested. Just got back from testing the starter. It tested good. I bought the starter relay that sits on the fender well, so I'm going to swap that out and see how that goes. I'm about at my fucking wit's ends with this fucking thing. Alright, now I've replaced starter relay, batteries have tested good and charged, new alternator, starter is fucking tested good just a little while ago, and that's hooked back up. Let's see if this mother trucker will start. Oh, don't think those fucking batteries are good. Fucking Optima hot fucking horseshit garbage. Working in all that wet pine straw sucks. Fucking tree sap everywhere. Moment of truth. 2 new batteries. New starter relay. New alternator. New starter. Let's see what happens. Boom! Man, what a fucking relief that is. I've been pulling out what's left of my fucking hair. Oh my God, I hate electrical problems. I'm an aircraft mechanic by trade, so a lot of landing gear, flight control, sheet metal repair, all that shit. Comes to electrical problems, I just assume that it's fucking magic coming out of the end of a wizard's fucking wand. Shit blows my mind. Anyhow, glad that started. On to the next problem, that noisy ass vacuum pump. Hit the subscribe button if you will, please. Keeps me doing these videos, seeing people interested in it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, all that shit. Tell me what you think down below. Tell me if you had any problems down below with yours. Anyway, just hit subscribe and like it. Thanks, y'all.